Hello everyone, you are back on the National Day channel. Well, today, I'll introduce you. This is a 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐠𝐫𝐚𝐦 that's locked in two FIS. It's been hard for you to open these days, and today I've got one that I share with you. Last time, I had a pinch too. Call this video. This is a 282 video. Is that we just cover the cam scan. And so far, it's no longer an app. And it's proportional. It's open. So today I'm going to share a little bit with you. Other than normal. We could use this face. Let's open it, but we have a lot of 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐠𝐫𝐚𝐦. You can't do that. The first step is when you get a 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐿. You have to go down and give me this avatar. If that 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞 has a face, I will use it later. Turn that into a selfie video. That's now. If you can't load it, then we can use another 282 source. Is temporary, but its rate will not be as high. You guys are down. 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐠𝐫𝐚𝐦 face is back or 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐥𝐞. If you get it back, you can replace me with a picture. If you have a picture, you can replace it immediately. It doesn't affect anything. If 𝐓𝐞𝐥 changes his name, it will affect him. Rather, avatar, it's not so you can use it too. And now I'm going to turn that. So for example, we're going to have this tool. This is when we start. The confirmation is that it started as a face scan. Yours, right? So how are you going to use it? First, you have to use OBS. This is the OBS. Now I'm using it to film the screen. So this is what we're going to do. For example, we're going to add this to this image. Here we go. We're choosing in this corner to add this image. Then we will agree. And in this image, we're going to choose a path. This link will be related to a photo. Here I have a lot of photos 282 like this. Here's a face. It's a face like this. I'm going to start this next. Here is when. The app it asks is the camera. You will use for me is this OBS if without. This picture is going to be black, guys. This OBS. I don't know. It's there because I'm filming the screen, and I don't know. Yes, can I film it? Here I'm shooting this screen. And here's the virtual camera. That's when we start this virtual camera. This 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞 you can be shown to the left, to this right, up here, then to the left, to this right, there. Then you run along the arrow path of this 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞. Remember, the button is a virtual machine here. You have to turn it on, which means it's going to turn that thing on. The picture is inside. It's turned into an O. It's sort of like a camera statement. It's kind of like the face I'm shooting on camera. That's it, he'll tell you. Facebook is like that. And when it's done, I can upload it. This is if 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞 has a face like this, that his avatar has been around for a long time. Then you absolutely have. It's probably about 100% of you guys. And I tested, and it's about a lot. I have tested and about a lot. For example, I just opened a 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞. It's open and it's live. Then, in this OBS application, you can install it. You're on YouTube, you're typing out the part. OBS installation guide. And you remember to turn on the virtual machine. Start virtual camera. Virtual camera started with Facebook. And your Chrome can read that. This virtual camera. And when we use OBS to record the screen. So here's one that I'm applying. NB Brothers. Sharing is quite easy to use. And it came back pretty much. If you want to, maybe it's my inbox. 8629years02. I can guide you more specifically. I shared this video and gave it to you. Let's increase that ratio M282 up. We have to pay attention. When we get Nick back, we will load the avatar of it to later when that open 282 will increase the unlock rate. I also want this video to end here. See you in the next videos. Subscribe to the channel and comment below this video what you're looking for, what you're stuck with. I can support you enthusiastically.